Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C53, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you will then need to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, and using the pen you can push it in. The tray will come out, and once you take it out you will have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. Now let's see if I can find my there we go, SD card. So I'm gonna start off with the SD card, place it on here like so, and grab SIM card. If you're using 2 different SIM cards, just put both of them on there, but if you're using one, you can just use whichever tray you want for the SIM card. From there, insert it back into your phone. Give it a second and the card should start working right away. Now let's see if I have any notification about SD card. There we go. So SD card is working, and technically it's detecting the SIM, but it's just not connecting to it. I think it might be dead by now. But anyway, this is how you insert your SIM and SD card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.